me and Cammy, and we're big chilling. I'm chilling here and bored, and she's playing with her little light up ball that she won't let me have. See, she always does this, and she doesn't want to give it to me. And she'll lay it there so I can try to come and get it. As soon as I go for it, she stops me. See this? She even hold my hand now so I can't try to get it. Isn't she just so cute? I know she is. Tell everybody how cute you are, Cammy. Okay. Thanks, Cammy. Okay. Well, bye-bye now. Say bye. That's it. Bye. Okay, well. Okay, well, she can't say bye.